You probably heard of fake Apple AirPods, this, and this one. So today in this video, we're gonna look at the fake Samsung Galaxy Buds. So this is the fake one, and this one exactly looks like the real one. And to compare, I have the real one. So I have a video about this. The link is in the description. So I did a video before about this, and this is the real one, and this is the fake one. We can compare this, and we're gonna see which one is better. If you're liking our content, please subscribe to our channel and follow our Instagram. There's a link down below. We post a lot of BTS. Also, let's get started. So first, before we unbox it, we can see that the two cases, and we can see that this looks much more professional. This is a real one, and this is the fake one, and look, it has the plastic thing which normally comes in every fake product. So this is the fake and the real one, and this looks professional. So first we're gonna start unboxing the fake one. So that's it, and first we can see that there's an instruction to how to connect and all the stuff. So next we can see that this is the one of the earbuds, and this is the case. So we have accessories, and here we have the fake ones, and also the case. And this case is made of a plastic. We can say that this is 100% fake because this is plastic. It's plastic, and the inside, the interior looks almost the same, and it looks similar. And also we can see the charger here. That's what you get from all these. Now we're gonna compare the real one to the fake one. So here we have the real one. This is the case, and this is the fake one, and the shape looks exactly the same, but for the real one the plastic is a little bit harder and it looks 100%, so we can say that the plastic is really hard. So this is the real one, and this is the fake one. This is, see that, you can see that it's transparent. So see, this is the fake one, and by looking in the back it exactly looks like the same thing. For the real one, it's run by the USB type C, and for the fake one, commonly it's run by the micro USB. So now we can compare the inside, the interior. So this is the fake one. So plastic, see that? And I have the real one right here. And then for the real one, there's lights. So I'll take that off. So this is a real one, and we can compare it and we can see if there's any difference or not. And you can tell the difference that, yep, there's actually a button for the fake one right here. For the real one, there's no button. It's automatic. When you open it, it just ons the thing. And for the real one, and we can see there's hole here. For the fake one, and there's no hole. And by looking at the back, looks exactly the same, and this is the exact copycat. For the fake one, for the fake case and versus the real case is much more heavier, and the fake case is so light because it has more stuff inside for the real one, and the fake one is so light. Now we can compare the buds, and this is the real ones. You can see that. Now here's the fake ones. It's a little more plasticky. Now I have one of each. So this is the real one, the fake one. The difference, it exactly looks the same, except for the real one, it has this thing to help keep the thing not falling from our ear. So we have this. So the fake one has light right here, and the real one doesn't have any lights, but the real one has a touchpad. And the charger, this is the charger. It's short. It's just a regular charger that comes in every single thing. So the charger, this is the charger, and it's not that long. I would not like to use this. I'll just use my old one. So the real one has lights outside, and the fake ones, I'm not sure if there's a light. I'll try to on it. Oh yeah, there is lights. This says the battery life. I'm like the battery life level. Yep. And these are the earbuds. It's kind of hard to say the difference because it looks exactly the same, and we can say the difference for the case because for the case the lid looks 100% fake and this one looks 100% original. So we can tell difference for this, but for these things we cannot say the difference exactly looks the same. So I like about that is exactly a copycat, and that's it. So now we're gonna connect the buds to the phone. So this is Prime Sport. So I have it connected now. I can hear it. So now we paired it. So I'm gonna test this out if it sounds good or not. See you then. After testing out the headphone, it sounds really good. It has some bass to it, and it sounds really good. But for the real buds, it has much more bass to it, and I like that. I like the real one much better, and because everyone likes it because that's much more expensive, and this is only 20 bucks. Surprisingly, it's only 20 bucks. And you can get it on Amazon, eBay, any stores. After hearing through these fake buds, it sounds really good for the price. If you're looking for a Galaxy Bud alternatives, so this is the best option, so you should go check it out. That's it for today, guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and also follow our Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.